Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I will show you how you can delete your Gemini account. So Gemini is an AI model that can help you in your daily life with different types of critical problem, and it can give you the solution. So if you want to delete the Gemini account for any reason, so here how you can just do it. So here you can find your account info here that you have used to log into your Gemini account. So you have to click on your account button here, and here you can find the sign out button clearly, so you can sign out from Gemini by that. But you actually can't delete Gemini from here. You can go to settings and go anywhere, you can find the delete option. Just because of you actually can delete Gemini, if you want to delete the Gemini account, then you have to delete all of your this mail account from your device. So then you can actually access that Gemini, that account of Gemini on your device. So that's the actual way, and that's the only way to delete your Gemini account. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.